For today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable virtualization in Windows 11. First, check if virtualization is actually enabled. To do that, go to the Start menu of your Windows 11 computer and then type the Cmd and then right-click and run as administrator. Type in this command, then press enter. Find Hyper-V requirements if the virtualization is enabled in Firmware. If not, then do this. Go to Start button, click on it, and click the Power button to the Restart button, and hold Shift button, then click Restart. It will put your computer in recovery mode. Once you're here, click on Troubleshoot, and then click on Advanced Options, and then go ahead and click on UEFI Firmware Settings, then click on Restart. Once you're here on BIOS, go to Advanced, select CPU and chipset configuration, and hit Enter. Find the Intel VT, then hit Enter once again, then select Enable. After that, press F10 to save and exit, and hit Yes, and that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.